Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cotton candy cobes. Heat your machine and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of sugar and a pinch of flavor. Use low speed to form fine threads, then collect them gently on a paper cone. Rotate steadily and add color sparingly for layered stripes. Keep hands clean and avoid moisture to preserve texture, and always test a small batch before making larger portions for events or gifts. Measure sugar precisely and premix any color or flavor into small portions so you can swap profiles fast while spinning. Warm the machine for the recommended time and check that the spinner head reaches proper speed. Use gloves to prevent burns and maintain hygiene when collecting strands. Keep a stash of spare cones and a small brush to clear buildup between batches. Practice a couple of trial spins to dial in timing and technique. Aim for consistent wrist motion while collecting strands to avoid dense clumps or holes in the cloud. If threads are coarse, reduce sugar or increase speed slightly. If they collapse, dry the spinner head and reduce humidity. For multicolored cobes, layer flavors by spinning a thin stripe, cleaning the rim, then switching sugar mixes. Store finished pieces in an airtight container separated by parchment to keep texture intact before serving to guests or packaging for sale.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.